Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. You might be wondering why I'm showing the last 4 days of my PNL of one of my accounts here, right? This is one of my accounts Zerodha, so where I'm showing the PNL for the last 4 days. Okay, you can see that the realized PNL is 70k around, and then 1.2k of charges, and then the net PNL is 69,000, right? So let me leave a clue here. So this is, I'm showing this to make our next video on based on some learning. Okay. And based on, I saw a video, somebody make a video and then on YouTube space. And then I saw that based on which I wanted to make this video. I want, all of you to, guess, the topic on which I'm going to make a video on this. Let me leave a clue here as well. Okay. So is that charges and taxes that I'm going to talk about in this video, or is that, being consistently profitable, like, or else let's say, being profitable every day, something like that. What exactly is that I'm going to talk about? Or is that something other than these two options? Okay. So we'll wait for your comments down below so that I wanted to know who is going to guess it right. Okay. Having said that, let's dive into our regular session. Okay. So these are the levels for today's intraday trading. Okay, couple of supply zones that are marked, and then this is the demand zone for today's intraday trading. And you can see the market was very choppy. Traded for almost entire day in a small tight range of consolidation. Okay. Yeah, so this was expected. So I was expecting a very sideways day today, based on which I wanted to do some reversal trades. Okay, so yeah, so that was a plan, and yeah, so based on which, let's say if I switch to lower time frame, so yeah, this was the first trade somewhere around. I have taken the call. I went long here, right at the support, and then yeah, so I captured these moves, in both the accounts, Dhan and Zerodha, and then I did one more trading in Dhan. I entered into the trade somewhere here, waited for so long time for Bank Nifty to break above this level. As soon as it broke above this level, I exited the trade. I know that most of the times what will happen on a sideways day, what will happen, it breaks above the level, and then it will come back into the range actually. So based on which I have exited the trade somewhere here. So overall, we made a profit of around 3,600 in Zerodha, and we made a profit of around 45,000. Overall profit of around 49,000 for the day. Okay, and having said that, let's dive into our regular live trading session and see how we manage the trades and what can we learn from the today's session. See you there. Thank you. I'm planning to buy here 49,600 call with an initial quantity of 150. You can see that Bank Nifty has reached the demand zone. I just bought 150 quantity of 49,600 call. What is the reason for the entry, right? So Bank Nifty, we can expect a sideways day today, obviously, because last 2 days were very trending, very much trending, and also that Bank Nifty, based on the opening of the Bank Nifty, right? If at all Bank Nifty is opening with a huge gap up or gap down, then obviously we could have, expected a little bit of a momentum, but then Bank Nifty opened almost flat to a little bit of gap up, which indicates a sideways momentum. On a sideways day, the reversal trades would give you the best results. Based on which I wanted to initiate a long trade, and we would not be expecting too many points because it's a reversal trade or a contra trade. Okay, so let's see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. I'm little late to log in into Zerodha account today, so let me log in and try to take the same trade here. We'll try to take the same trade here in Zerodha as well. We'll try to add here 150 more quantity, guys, if the momentum picks up. Yeah, I've just added 150 more quantity here, and we'll see how this goes on from here. Thank you. So I'll try to exit the trade here, guys. So we are getting a nice momentum here, and then yeah, exited all 300 quantity in this trade. And yes, we are now sitting on a profit of around 22,900 in this Dhan account. And yes, captured more than 70 points in this trade. And yes, it's not a very good idea to stay so long based on our view for today, right? We are expecting a little bit of a sideways day because last 2 days were very much trending, and then based on today's opening also, bank nifty opened a little bit of a flat to a little bit of gap up opening, and came down from there, and after that it is giving a pullback from the resistance area, right? So that's where we can expect bank nifty to be within a range for the rest of the day. So based on which I wanted to exit the trade very quickly with a nice 70 points of profit. So right now we are sitting on a profit of around 22,900, and then we'll let you know if I take any more trades after this. Thank you. So after so long time, we are getting a nice bit of momentum now. So we'll try to exit the trade as soon as Bank Nifty breaks above the box, right? In the tight consolidation, it's not a good idea to stay in this trade after the breakout also, because it's a very choppy sideways day. We can expect a dip back into the zone again. Yeah, we'll try to close the trade here, guys. So okay, close the trade, exited all 300 quantity here, and we captured about 70 points in this trade, and we are now sitting with a 45,000 profit in this trade in Dhan. So we made a profit of around 3,600 in Zerodha, on a profit of 45,400 in Dhan, and an overall profit of around 49,000 for today. And I would like to end the day here. Hope you have a very good takeaway from today's session. And yeah, keep subscribing, liking, and sharing the videos, so that someone who is very serious about trading can benefit also, and I can bring more such learning in future. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.